If you've ever wanted to publish a book on Amazon KDP but got overwhelmed by writing, editing, formatting, cover design, and publishing, then this AI tool claims it can handle the entire process from your initial idea to a professionally published book, all from one dashboard. But here's the real question. Is self-publish AI actually worth paying for, or is it just another AI writing tool with fancy marketing? In this review, I'll walk you through what self-publish AI actually does, its biggest strengths, its weaknesses, who should buy it, who should skip it, and by the end of this video, you'll know whether it's worth your money. Self-Publish AI is an all-in-one AI platform built specifically for authors and self-publishers. Instead of switching between ChatGPT, Grammarly, Canva, Adobe InDesign, formatting software, and Amazon KDP, it aims to combine the entire workflow into one place. According to the creators, you can brainstorm book ideas, generate outlines, write chapters with AI assistance, edit and proofread, create book covers, format for publishing, prepare marketing materials, track royalties across multiple publishing platforms. The company also says you keep 100% ownership of your work and royalties, with no rights claimed over your book. Main features. 1. AI Writing Assistant. The built-in AI assistant helps generate chapters, rewrite paragraphs, improve grammar, and organize your manuscript. Unlike a general chatbot, it's designed around book creation rather than casual conversations. 2. Editing and proofreading. Editing is usually expensive. Hiring a professional editor can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Self-Publish AI includes grammar correction, style suggestions, proofreading, manuscript evaluation. These tools are intended to help polish your draft before publication. 3. Cover design. Instead of paying a graphic designer immediately, the platform can generate AI-assisted book covers. This won't replace elite custom designers for every project, but it can help first-time authors get started quickly. 4. Guided publishing. One feature I actually like is the guided workflow. Rather than leaving beginners wondering what to do next, it walks users from idea to finished book step by step. 5. Marketing tools. Publishing a book is only half the battle. Self-Publish AI also includes press release generation, social media copy, reader targeting, launch planning, promotional content. That's useful if you struggle with marketing after your book goes live. 6. Earnings dashboard. If you publish across multiple marketplaces, the platform claims to consolidate earnings from Amazon, Apple Books, Ingram Spark, and direct sales into one dashboard. Here are the biggest advantages I see. Everything is under one roof. Beginner-friendly workflow. AI writing plus editing. Marketing assistance. No royalty sharing. You keep ownership of your content. Export your work whenever you want. For new authors, that convenience could save a lot of time. Now let's talk about the downsides. First, AI still needs human editing. No AI tool writes a perfect book every time. You'll still need to review facts, improve flow, and make the writing sound like you. Second, professional publishing quality still depends on your effort. AI can speed up the process, but it won't magically create a bestseller. Third, many advanced features are available only on paid plans, so check which tier includes the tools you actually need before subscribing. I think this tool makes the most sense for Amazon KDP beginners, coaches, consultants, bloggers, content creators, entrepreneurs, anyone wanting to publish books faster. If you're constantly switching between multiple apps, having everything in one platform could simplify your workflow. If you're an experienced author who already has professional editors, dedicated cover designers, Publishing software. Established workflows. You may not need everything this platform offers. Overall, Self-Publish AI looks like a solid all-in-one publishing platform rather than just another AI writer. Its biggest advantage is bringing writing, editing, design, publishing, marketing, and royalty tracking together in one guided system. That said, don't expect AI to replace creativity or professional judgment. The best results will come from using it as a productivity tool, not a complete replacement for your own input. If you're serious about self-publishing and want to save time, it's definitely worth considering. If you want to check the latest pricing, bonuses, and any launch discounts, I've placed my affiliate link in the description below. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and if exclusive bonuses are available, you'll be able to claim them there as well. If this review helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more honest AI software reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.